Steve and welcome to another Build Byte video. And I'm here with Jeff Sandquist. And what do you think do you think it's important to teach children to program?
No, it's so important. Myself included. When I was in about the 5th grade, my brother gave me a little computer to start learning BASIC. And really, I wouldn't be in the career that I have today, which is really rewarding, if I hadn't started to learn the code. And I think about it as just, whether somebody becomes a professional programmer or something, it really teaches you to kind of look at things differently and look at the components of how things are built. And so I think it's absolutely so important, and I think it's sad when people don't learn just even the basic rudimentary about how technology works. Technology is around in everything that we do.
I've noticed that most teachers can't teach teach programming as they don't have enough resources.
Yeah? I think when you think about things about not having enough resources, I think some of the things around just even very basic programming, just people understanding logic, and understanding how things work. I think one of the challenges we have in the world that we live in is back from compared to when I started using computers. I didn't have a lot of programs. I didn't have a lot of games. They weren't as readily accessible. I couldn't go to an app store and just download things. So you had to go create those things yourself. And so when I think about the opportunity there is that maybe parents should have a little rule with their kids. Great, we'll buy you 5 apps, but you got to go build one yourself before you get the next 5. And so as far as resources, gosh, there are all sorts of amazing resources online for people. Whether, people don't have to start with Visual Studio. They don't have to start with these large editors. They can build a simple, something in a browser, learn how to do a little bit of HTML. Build something that allows them to ask a question. And so if they have a computer and a web browser and a basic editor, people can start to learn the program. Lots of great resources online. Just go to bing.com. Start searching about Learn to Code. Start there. Maybe the teacher needs to learn a little bit to code first as well too. But actually, I think that's actually a really powerful thing that we have is that anytime I'm teaching somebody something, I have to know something well enough to teach it. So I've learned the subject matter so much better. I think that's an opportunity for both people. They can learn to teach, and definitely we have to get everyone just even learning some basics of programming at a young age.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Bye.